Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Dodge Avenger. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, then find the main radio or infotainment system. Look for a button labeled Time on the face of the unit. This button is your key to accessing the clock settings. Getting these initial steps right will make the rest of the process smooth and easy for you. Now, to enter the time adjustment mode, simply press and hold the time button. Keep holding it until you see the hour digits on your display start to blink. This blinking signifies that the system is ready for you to make changes. You'll primarily use the tune/scroll control knob, usually located on the right side of your radio, to adjust the time. Once the hours are blinking, turn the tune/scroll knob left or right to adjust the hour to the correct setting. After you've set the hour, press the tune/scroll knob inward. This action will switch the blinking from the hours to the minutes. Now, simply rotate the knob again to set the minutes accurately. It's a straightforward process, just a few turns and presses. To finalize your time setting, press the tune/scroll knob one last time. The clock display will stop blinking, confirming that your new time has been saved and is now active. You've successfully set the clock in your Dodge Avenger. It's that simple. For more great deals, including the Owala water bottle, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and drive safely with your perfectly set clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.